In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the scale command in AutoCAD. Now, lots of ways to start that scale command. I'm on the home ribbon. I can go to the modify panel and I can select the scale icon. You could also go to modify and find scale in this list. I believe you could type in SC, enter, or just type in the entire word scale and press enter. I'm going to go ahead and start the scale command here. As with the rest of these modify commands, you can either do it noun verb or verb noun. So right now we're doing verb noun, so scale, and then we select the objects. If you choose to do verb noun, when you select the object, AutoCAD doesn't know if you want to select more objects, so you have to press enter to let it know to move on. I'm done selecting objects. Press enter. Now it says to specify a base point. That base point is the one spot that's going to stay the same. The rest of this object is going to scale bigger or smaller, but we're pinning it down at this one spot. So sometimes it doesn't matter where you choose as your base point. Sometimes you care. I'll just randomly select this bottom base point. And notice what I'm doing here. As I move my mouse in or out, you can see the entire object proportionally it's scaling. It maintains its aspect ratio. So I can just come in here and I can make it any scale that I want visually, or I can type in a scale factor. So if I wanted to make it half size, I would type in 0.5 and press enter. If I wanted to make it double size, I could type in 2 and press enter. So I'll make it double size. I press 2 and enter. Now my rectangle is double the size. I do want to show you, this is a really handy thing to know about the scale command. So I'm going to make a line over here that's a distance of 5 or a length of 5. And I'm going to go ahead and move this rectangle from the base point to right here. And I'm going to show you a cool thing that you can do with the scale command. This is if you ever have an object that you need to get to be a specific size and you don't know, what the scale factor is. So maybe you visually just scaled something up and you're trying to get it back to its original size. When you start that scale command, again, select objects, press enter, specify a base point. But right now, do you see how down at the command line I have this option R for reference? And I know I can type in R because it's the capital letter, it's also the blue letter. So if I type in R, enter, it wants the reference length. So I'm going to click here, my original base point. I'm going to click the overall size of this object. Now it wants the new length, and I can come down till I find the end point of that line that I drew. Now when I select this object, it is definitely set to a length of 5 along the x-axis. So that scale reference is a pretty cool command. You would then have to come in here and delete out that original line that you drew, but it's a pretty cool command to get your object scaled back to the original size that you wanted, or to a specific size, and it will scale the entire drawing proportionately.